Hi. In this video I'll show you how to edit and overlay video, using Capcut application. First, you need to download Capcut and open to your Android app. I add this short 7 minutes video and use it as an example. At the bottom of the video you can see some editing materials. This is just optional. I add another the same video and click the reverse at the bottom to reverse the second video. At the bottom, you see some editing materials that may help you to edit your video. Your video may look like this. Reversing the video also adds beauty, especially when you add it to dancing video. Next is, if you click the video, you may click overlay to add another video. I use this short second video as an overlay. You can click and drag the video in any direction or where you want it to put. You can also adjust the speed of your overlay video, to make it longer duration or if you want it to have shorter duration. I removed the background of an overlay video so to make it more realistic, or included from the first video. Your video may look like this. I copied the first video and it automatically pasted to the next. This tutorial is so simple. Everything in one click is just in Capcut application. Almost TikToker have edited their videos using Capcut app. You can add music now from the add audio at the bottom. It will take you to Capcut free music. You can click the stars at the right side of the music to add it to your favorites. I used the music from my favorites. Your final video may look like this. I hope you enjoy watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Make sure to share it to your friends.